love being a small business owner in Memphis. Memphis is so full of so many great, creative, interesting, dynamic people and things that are happening. I love that after almost 10 years of having a shop that I'm still excited every time I turn the key in the lock. I mean, I'm just happy to be here every day.
Stephanie has the most wonderful, effervescent personality that makes everybody feel cheerful. I tell people she's like a human dose of Prozac because it just makes you feel happy being with her.
I think one of the best things about entering the door at Me and Miss Jones is the community and the warm feeling of just family. It's so important having a small business to have women in that same field that want to support each other.
I love being with my team, I love my staff, I love our workshops, I love how cozy those groups can feel, and I love being here when the people that are at the workshops get to know each other and find connections with each other that they didn't know they had. I just love all of it. I went from being a freelance painted finish artisan to representing these paint companies and selling what they had, and then that just sort of naturally progressed into teaching what the products could do. What we hope our customers find when they come in is all these really terrific exclusive products that we're able to carry that you can't find at the hardware stores or the hobby shop.
The coverage is amazing. I want my clients to have the best that's out there, and that reassuring feeling when I deliver a piece or I'm refinishing something for them, that it's going to stand up over time and it's not something that's going to chip easily.
It can be intimidating if you are not a creative person to walk into a store that's known for being like a creative place. And this is not that. The team here is really encouraging of different kinds of creativity and read the people who come in the store really well for where they are in their own level of knowledge and expertise and curiosity. It's a place for everybody to start to explore the creativity that they already have.
We have people that come in and the first thing they say is, "But I'm not creative." But that's okay. They're our favorite because we want them to come on in so that we can teach them something. I always tell people, if you don't think you're creative, we just have not put the right brush in your hand yet. So what we hope to do with our workshops is not only to teach people, the step-by-step processes, but to also give them the confidence and really equip them to have a successful project. So we really like people to see how easy and forgiving the process can be so that they'll want to do it again and again. When customers leave here, I want them to feel excited and ready to go, like they have everything they need and they know exactly what to do. That's our goal.